So hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Awesome Club 2.0. So guys, this is the part 12 of our RHCSA version 10 series, and in this part today we will cover Nano Editor, right? And Nano Editor is also one of the powerful editor in Linux. So how we can work there, all the shortcuts that we will cover in today videos. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and share it to your IT friends, and let's start without any delay. Let's go. So I'm on to my terminal here. If you want to use Nano Editor, so you need to use command nano and then space your file name which you want to edit. If you have any existing file, that's fine. If you don't have, so it will create new file. So I have a file1. So nano space file1. I'll use this one, right? And after using this, and then here directly you can edit, right? Unlike Vim editor, in Vim editor we have a like insert mode or something. Here we don't have any mode. Directly you can edit your file. If you want to make any changes, so you can do that. uh Here I want to write, suppose this is Nano Editor, right? I have written it. And if you want to write something, if you want to delete something, so you can do anything what you want. After doing everything, then here we have shortcuts. So here we have few shortcuts which is written in bottom side. Here we have a palette. So like if you want to take the help, right? If you want to take the help, you can use Control G. This sign denotes control. So here we have help. Then you can use your arrow key, and here we have all the shortcuts written here. So this is the help option, and if you want to close it, Control X, right? You will exit from that. And then here, after making changes in your file, if you want to save it, so here we have this option, write out. And for write out, you need to press Control O, right? So Control O you need to press, and then file name to write file1, that's fine. Press enter, it's saved. Then if you want to exit from file, Control X. So you have exited. Let me check the changes are saved or not. So I will do cat space file1. We'll try to read this file. So let me go up, and here I have added this line. That's saved. That means it is working properly. Okay. After that, again open it. Then we have shortcut this one, Control R, read file, right? So read file means that is similar to open option in your editor. So this read file option is similar to open option in your editor. So what you need to do, Control R. Here it is asking to insert a new file. So I have a file. Let me write the path. I think I have redir file. Redir file. Press enter. So here you can see data from redir file is inserted here. Here we have, right, all the data we have. So this is how you can open any file in your current file. Then Control F. If you want to like find something, so you can use Control F option to search. So Control F, if I'll search, I want to search where is Nano, right? So Nano is here, like this. You can search Nano Editor. If you want to replace, Control and then backslash. So here, if I want to replace Nano and replace with like Vim, and then press Y for yes, and here you can see it is replaced, right? So that we can use. If you want to cut or paste, so for that here we have Control K and Control U. Okay, let me do that. Control K for cut, right? And for suppose I want to cut this line, so Control K. And if I want to paste here, so Control U for paste, right? Control K and Control U for paste. Few more options if I want to use. So let me use annotate. Let me write here comma, right? Alt plus comma if I use. So go to beginning of file. If I use here alt plus forward slash, so go to end of file, right? That we can do. And if I want to like move to beginning of the line, right? If I want to move to beginning of the line, so I can use here Control plus A, move to beginning of line. And if I do Control plus E, move to end of line. If I do Control plus Y, it is for previous page. If I do Control, Control plus V, next page, right? So if you want to light work in your file, so for that here we have this one shortcut. And okay, cut we have done, cut, paste we have done, okay, fine. And undo, redo, okay, for redo, copy, select the text, right? So these are a few more shortcuts. Let me try to use it. So here what I'll do, I'm here. If I press Alt and comma, so Alt and comma if I use, this slash will be there actually. So what I'll do, I'm starting of the file, I'm there. So I'll do Control and forward slash, not Control, Alt and forward slash. So go to end of the file, and then if I use backslash, so starting of the file, if my cursor is here and I want to move to beginning of the line, so Control A, Control E for end of the line, right? And if I'll do Control V, so next page, right? And Control Y for previous page. So that's all for today, guys. That's all about the Nano Editor. In next part, we will start the next chapter, that is users and grow. Okay, guys. So we'll meet in next video. Thank you, everyone.